Hello, and today I thought that we might do some more kitchen-based activities. I thought that it would be good to make some chocolate truffles with Easter coming up soon. Now, when I was a student some 35 years ago, I used to go to Covent Garden and buy these absolutely wonderful chocolate truffles. They were very alcoholic and they were the size of tennis balls from a lady that ran a stall there on a Saturday morning. Now, perhaps my memory is incorrect here because I remember them as the size of tennis balls, but I can't believe that I used to eat that much chocolate in one go. So I certainly can't do that now, so I'm going to make them a bit smaller this time, maybe the size of a golf ball. So anyway, let's get on with making these. So here we have the ingredients that you need. It's 50 grams of unsalted butter, 300 grams of 70% cocoa dark chocolate, 300 mils of double cream. If you want to make them alcoholic, the alcohol of your choice, and if you want to coat them, some milk chocolate or hazelnuts or cocoa powder or something like that. First, I'm going to break the chocolate up into a bowl. Right, the first thing is to melt the butter. Right, now I'm going to add the cream. And now we need to bring it up to simmer. Right, this is going to come to simmering point fairly soon, so I'm just going to put the chocolate in the microwave for a few seconds to warm it up. Right, it's just coming to the simmering point now. You just feel the vibrations of the bubbles in the bottom of the pan through the handle. Right, I think that's ready now. Take that off the heat. And here we go. Right, I think I've done something wrong here. This is separated. I think I got everything a bit too hot. Right, I'm trying to rescue this now. I think I need it in a bigger bowl than the one I've got it in. Let's see what happens. It's starting to look a bit better now. And you very definitely need more alcohol in it. Even more alcohol. There's not enough in there. looks like I might as well almost finish up this bottle. There we go. Well, if that's not enough, it's just tough. That's why I put too much in now. But I didn't see any point in keeping that bottle. Yep, I think that'll do. Okay, there's not a lot else I can do, because I don't have any more brandy left. Wash this bowl out and then tip that into this bowl so I can put it in the fridge. So now it needs to set for 4 hours. Right, so the mixture's had about 4.5 hours now. Looks fairly solid. These need to go in the fridge again now to get them really cold so that we can coat them in chocolate. Okay, so now we need some chocolate. Milk chocolate to coat the truffles in. I suspect that's a lot more than I need. Yeah, I think that's done now. Don't want to get it too hot. I know I actually decided to put the truffles in the freezer for half an hour just to get them really cold and get the tray really cold before I put the chocolate on. Not sure quite how I'm going to do this. Right, let's try this. Oops. Well, I suppose that's one way of doing it. time to put them in the fridge again for a little bit. So they go hard. So Easter's actually about 2 weeks away, so I'm going to freeze these until the night before I want them, and then I'll take them out and put them in the fridge. There is an absolute phenomenal amount of chocolate here. Oops. Well, here we are. Some of them are not far off the size of tennis balls. So perhaps my memory is not too far off. Anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed watching that, and I look forward to seeing you again in the future. Goodbye then.